Using your mobile device to send and receive messages in your Genesis couldn't be easier. A common way to send and receive messages is to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. For more information on using these systems, see the CarPlay and Android Auto port video or your owner's manual for instructions. You can also use Bluetooth with your mobile devices to receive messages and have them read to you.
What's the weather like down there?
With Android devices, you can also reply to the messages using Bluetooth.
Say the message you would like to send.
To receive messages via Bluetooth, first you must pair your phone to your vehicle. See the Pairing Your Bluetooth Device video or your owner's manual for instructions. When a message is received, a notification will pop up on the screen. Here, you can view the message if you are not driving. You can also have it read to you or close the pop-up. Messages will remain in the Message folder until read. To reach them, press Phone on the touchscreen, then touch the message icon. From here, you can see the messages listed. Select one to have it read to you or, if the vehicle is not moving, read it. For Android devices, you can respond to the message with a voice-to-text message. This requires an active Genesis Connected Services subscription. Select the microphone button to dictate.
Say the message you would like to send.
Then dictate the message.
3 p.m.
When you are satisfied with it, you can
3
press
p.m.
Send
Would you
to
like
send
to
it.
send this now?
Yes.
You can also change the message
Send
if
a
you wish.
message.
On Android devices, you can also send a preset message as a reply to an incoming message. Select Reply, then you will see a choice of 10 predefined messages you can send. Select the desired message and press Send. You can also send preset messages as a reply to incoming calls while driving. To do so, press Message when the call notification pops up on the touchscreen. You will see a choice of 10 predefined messages you can send. Select the desired message and press Send. The predefined messages for text messages and rejected calls can be customized. To do so, make sure the vehicle is parked. Select Setup, then Device Connection. Select Predefined Messages. Here you can select text replies or rejected call replies. Then select the message you wish to modify. Then you can type in your new message. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.